welcome back to SFX Amy, where today I am going to be doing you a haul of things I've recently ordered, along with TK Maxx Halloween items that I bought and skincare items that I bought from TK Maxx. I think we should start off with the Halloween items that I got from TK Maxx, because TK Maxx always come out with items so early, and they have like some of the best items, like so many, like a different range, a variety of different items. The first thing I saw when I walked into TK Maxx was this guy. Look at him. Isn't he the cutest? Oh, I love him. He's a bit goofy. He's got glitter for no reason, but he's so cute. He was a tenner, but honestly worth it. Look at him. It's so like unique as well. I don't think I've ever seen a pumpkin bat, you know? Like, that's so random. Like, who would have thought of that? This was an item that I saw and I was like, oh, that's very like, what's it called? Like very artsy. Very artsy. See, I wear plaid, I'm very artsy. I could take it into my office and it's like a subtle, it's not too like Halloween-y, but very subtle. But I really like it. It was a fiver, it was $4.99, but I hate when they do that because it's like, oh my god, just put it to a fiver. Like, who actually has the exact amount of $4.99? Another Halloween item, which you probably saw on the back, this was the most expensive item that I bought. It was a cushion, but because I knew that I was getting this bedding, I thought this would go really, really well with it. It was $12.99. And I mean, I don't know whether it's worth $12.99, you know, like this is the only thing I was a bit like, I didn't know whether to get or not, but it does go really well with my bedspread. Okay, so I hope no one from TK Maxx is watching, because I did something bad that I probably shouldn't have done. Basically, TK Maxx had a bunch of different items, but the majority of the items in the Halloween section was candles, which candles is a very popular thing around Halloween time / autumn time. So, you know, fair enough, but they had loads of them. Anyway, so they had loads of little ones. These are $2.99, these small ones. And they all had different lids. So the cream looking candles had skeletons, spiders, ghosts, really cool things. And then the orange ones had gnomes, like garden gnomes. And I was like, what does a gnome have to do with Halloween? You know, like, why? Why is this a thing? So, I swapped the lid. I wanted the ghost on my candle. And I kind of feel a bit bad about it, but at the same time, you know, that gnome was ugly, so maybe if you didn't want people to swap the lids, put a bit of sellotape on them. Not blaming the company, but, you know, I did what I did. Next up is actually something that I didn't first have picked up. It was actually, as I was queuing up, they had another random bit Halloween section, but as I was queuing up and I was like, what's the point of having this here? You know, like, it was very random, because this wasn't in the Halloween section, so watch out, I guess. This was $5.99, £6, but I always have a nice glass of apple juice with my dinner, so I was like, oh, perfect, cute. I don't like that it's purple though. To be fair, I was in the line, so I just picked it up and I was like, yeah, that's cute. So I didn't really check out the colour, so regret that. Wondered if they have orange, but you know, we move. Next up we have this studded pumpkin, which, ow, that actually just hurt. I just put my finger on, which is so good. Oh, so I got 10% discount because there's a hole in it, as I should, and also a stud's missing, so here. So I got 10% discount, so that's not too bad. So it was $5.99 and I got 60p off, so I don't know what that equates to. Very strange. But yeah, I got this, but I'm gonna display it this side anyway. Also, I didn't ask for the discount. I was too nervous to be like, it's broken. So my nan had to come up with me, because that's how I do things in my house. The last item is by far my favorite item. Actually, this is the same price as the pillow, so I lied. So the pillow wasn't the most expensive, it was joint most expensive. But oh my god, I have to show you this. I'm tilting it upside down because you'll see why. I know that you can see the ring light, but it also... Oh girl, what are you doing? I'm so excited to put this up. Let's move on to some skincare I got from TK Maxx, and we'll start with Dr. Jart's Shake and Shots. New cough. These honestly are my favourite masks that I've ever bought in my life. I always buy these. If you follow me on TikTok, you would have seen these a lot, but they are so good. But I've never had this one before, the purple and green one, so I'm very excited to use this, see if it does anything different. But these two are my OGs, and yeah, I bought, because usually they're $9.99 on like Beauty Bay and other websites, but in TK Maxx they sell them for $5.99. Proper bargain. You should get them if you ever go to TK Maxx. At least try one of them. Don't buy them on other websites though. Go to TK Maxx, get them cheaper. This is a similar mask to the Dr. Jart ones, where you have to mix like a powder with a liquid and mix in, but this comes in like a weird tub instead of like a shaker. £4, that's actually really good. Maybe I should have got another one. Anyway, I got one of these, but I'm very excited to use them because the last time I did one, I didn't actually use it on my TikTok. And I was like, oh, this is such a good mask. I should have like done something with it. So when I saw these today, I was like, oh, I have to get one. I have to get one because I regretted it last time. So I'm very excited to do this mask. This is a packet of masks that I got. There's 10 in there, which is pretty cool. So they had different ones in store. Like they had little tabs on what they were. So I got this one because one, that is a gorgeous, look at that. I love that. I literally love that so much. And also this is hyaluronic acid masks. So I know that I have a couple of that in some of my products, and when I use that, my skin is usually really soft. So I was like, oh my god, yes, I would get 10. I'll get 10 of these. And they were $6.99, so 10 sheet masks for $6.99 is pretty good. TK Maxx store really attractive looking face masks. Like this is another one that I got, which is a waffle mask. Strawberry waffle mask. But just look, that's really eye-catching, and along with like all the other masks that I got, like the really eye-catching masks that they store. That's why I like going to TK Maxx for their skincare. It's very good. I like it. I got a hand mask. I got this because I thought it was something different. Also, it's got stars on. But yeah, I thought it would be something different because I know that sometimes doing the same thing over and over again gets a bit boring. I mean, obviously not me because I'm fun. But yeah, I thought a hand mask would be quite funny, like doing a TikTok, trying to press pause play while I've got hand masks on. I don't know, I don't even know what they look like. I've never done a hand mask like this. So it's gonna be fun. I always get really scared when things come in like really big boxes. They look a bit weird. Next up, I got these heated eye masks, which scares me because apparently as soon as they obviously touch the air, they start heating up. So that's going to be around my eyes. So I thought they'd be quite funny for people on my TikTok to watch me go through this. Whether or not I'm traumatized by the end of it, we'll never know. We're now going to move on to boxes, which I'm very excited for because I can't remember half the stuff that's in them. Gonna start off with this black box. This is my Be Perfect order. So I ordered 2 palettes from Be Perfect, mainly because my friend on Instagram has a discount code with them. And I wanted to get that money off. And also I've been wanting these forever. The story with this came out a week after I got the XL palette. So I was like, this one is so much, like, it looks so much better. And I was just like, oh, for God's sake, I'm such an idiot, you know? So I'm very excited that I've got both of these now. And I usually use my palettes, my eyeshadow palettes for shading. So I don't usually use them for eyeshadow, but I feel like with these, because of the range that like has, I'm definitely going to be doing some cool eyeshadow looks, I think. I'll have some good use out of this. I'm going to do my ASOS parcel next because I know that I didn't order any clothes, so this is going to be skincare items. So the first items I got in my ASOS box is Looney Tunes Tasmanian Devil face mask, which again is a face mask that stands out because look at them colours, and also Tasmanian Devil. Then got a Batman mask because I'm going to be doing a Batman look. And the main reason I got this ASOS order, by the way, was to get some conditioner. Because your girl has long hair. She goes through conditioner so fast. Yeah, so this is the main point of my ASOS order, but then I came across, I was doing a Batman look and I was like, I wonder if there's a Batman mask, and then there was on ASOS, so I was like, cool. And then when I was looking at skincare, I also saw this and I was like, ah, cool. I then love the brand Revolution. So recently, Revolution have sent me 2 lots of PR, which I'll show you now, why not? They sent me some brow lamination kit. So it comes in steps of 4, comes in 4. I did do this lamination today, and they feel very nice, and they do look like a lot more filled in, not so gappy, because sometimes when I put liquid latex on my eyebrows I rip my hairs out. So you know, it's all right. They look nice today. I actually probably am going to be using this in the future, which is good for someone who has sent someone else PR. They're actually going to use the products. Revolution also sent me 5 of their new matte lipsticks, which I have not used these for yet, but I have used this one, which is the lightest shade, because if you look, if that on my skin, I'm not too keen on dark colours on my skin. I am going to open them and see, but yeah, I went for the lightest one. When they wanted me on their PR, I was literally sat here like, yes, I will. And I received quite a bit from them as well. But honestly, love Revolution. But I have actually bought, in my ASOS order, some new skincare stuff, because I ran out of this. So this is, I never know how to pronounce this, so I always say niacinamide. I think that's wrong. I've got some niacinamide oil and zinc because I'd finished it a couple weeks ago. So I remembered that I needed some. But I also wanted to try this, which is new, I think. I don't know whether it's new, but I'd never seen it before. And I was like, oh, girl, I want some of that. So this is pineapple face mask, I want to say. I can't remember. I know it's pineapple. Glow Gommage Pill, which I don't know what that means. I'm guessing it's some sort of face mask. But also, I forgot to mention, I got this top, this plaid top from Primark today. And, you know, I look quite cute. This is the last box, which I think is from Etsy. Oh yeah, it is. It's from the Etsy shop. But oh my god! They've put a little lollipop in. That's not what I've ordered. So I ordered these cool gems, bath salts, to go in the bath, and oh my god, I just had the biggest whiff of these. They smell incredible. It's mango flavoured. Oh my god! Wow. This is a bath bomb. Look at that. I will link the Etsy down below because, oh my god, and I'll link, I can't link any of the things from TXMAXX, so just go TXMAXX. But I'll link as much as I can down below. But look at that bath bomb. I cannot wait to use this. And that concludes my haul. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment what your favourite product was. I'm intrigued to know whether you liked the pumpkins or whether you liked the bath bomb or the skincare. What do you like? Tell me what you like. And also make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I don't know why my voice did that. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.